Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install VirtualBox Guest Additions on Ubuntu 18.4 desktop on your VirtualBox. So let's get started. So first of all, before installing Guest Additions, we need to install some packages. So just click on this button and then open the terminal from here. And in the terminal, you need to give this command. I'm going to give this command in the description also, so you can directly copy this command and paste it into your terminal. So this is going to install some Linux headers and build essentials on your Ubuntu operating system. So I'm going to copy this and now I'm going to paste this on my terminal and then press enter. And then I'm going to give my Ubuntu's password. And then it's going to install these packages, and here I just need to press Y to continue. So now all the packages are installed on my Ubuntu operating system. So let's just install the VirtualBox Guest Edition. So if you open the VirtualBox here, you can see on the top there is a device option. So I'm going to choose the device option, and then you just need to click on this option which says insert Guest Addition CD image. So I'm going to click on this, and this is going to give you this kind of window. So we just need to run this image. So I'm going to just click on run, which is going to run it. And first of all, we need to authenticate. So give your Ubuntu's password, and now it's going to install this guest edition on your Ubuntu operating system. So now the VirtualBox Guest Additions are installed on my system, and if you see this message which says VirtualBox Guest Additions starting, press return to close the window. So we are going to press enter, which is going to close this window. And once the window is closed, the guest additions are installed on your system. The next step I'm going to do is I'm going to restart my virtual machine. So I'm going to first of all shut it down. I'm going to just power off this virtual machine, and then I'm going to go to my virtual machine, which is Ubuntu 18.04, and I'm going to go to the settings and just verify that these two options are enabled. So shared clipboard, bidirectional, drag and drop, bidirectional. So if these two options are bidirectional, so you will be able to drag and drop anything to your virtual machine, and also you will be able to copy and paste from your host to your guest. So now I'm going to once again restart the machine. And now I'm going to do a small test to check whether this drag and drop and copy and paste is working on my Ubuntu guest or not. So first of all, I'm going to open the text editor. And on this text editor, I'm going to paste something which I will copy from my Windows host. So this is the browser which runs on my Windows, and this is the Wikipedia page of Ubuntu, and I'm going to just copy some of the text from here and then paste it to my guest on Ubuntu, and you can see it works. So copy and paste is definitely working. So in this way you can download and install VirtualBox Guest Additions on Ubuntu 18.4 guest on your VirtualBox. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and bye for now.